It is really a great wonder that you all participated in this Smile Meditation Camp. I express my gratitude, regards and love to all of you. Thanks with Smile for being part of this Smile Meditation Camp. Today is the last day of this camp. We are exceptionally blessed and fortunate to share the knowledge of Triorigin with our dear ones with the blessing of our Guru, Professor Park Jebu. We are thankful to the Existence Spirit, the Supreme, for blessing us for this amazing Smile Meditation Camp. We are thankful to Delhi Area CAT for supporting us in this Smile work. We also thank all the families coming from the background of Army, Navy, Air Force and some from Civil for joining this camp for the purpose of self-realization. Thank you for supporting this event. Professor Park Jebu introduced Triorigin Smile Meditation to help the mankind to understand that this world is a world of wonders and it is full of bright smiles. Suffering is not real. It is just an illusion. When one touches smile perfection, then one realizes that this world is just wonder and smile. The purpose of this world is the realization of wonder and smile. For this purpose, the Existence Spirit, the Supreme, who is higher consciousness, gives birth to the neutral of Triorigin and also creates this smile world based on the Triorigin principle. In the words of Professor Park Jebu, he says, if people could gain pure smile by this Smile Meditation, it would be an important contribution to the purpose of Existence Spirit. If people could complete their smile, if people complete their smile accomplishment and participate in the realization of the smile world, using the smile force overflowing from their perfection, it will be a great contribution to the realization of the purpose of the Existence Spirit. Triorigin Smile Meditation is Smile Wonder. Let us once again meditate, calling into our awareness the bliss of the Infinite and His smile, Origin Smile. Let us once again meditate on who we are. Let us tap the center of our being, that is just smile, merged with Origin Smile. Let us revise our lessons and go deep while watching these slides and become one with smile. It is wonder. I am living while breathing. My chest expands when I inhale. This breathing itself is wonder. I can hear, I can see, I can smell, I can walk, talk, eat, taste, and I can feel. This itself is wonder. The wondrous brain makes us think. This is all wonder. All nature is smiling, expressing infinite beauty and purpose. This is all wonder. Going deep inside and meditating. How He created this world. He created this world with Triorigin consciousness, which is fundamental consciousness, and His absolute consciousness. In the creation process, starting from neutro, followed by hetero, homo, giving birth to neutro, and by the harmonious unification of these three forces, the existence of this world came into being as a special practical entity. At this moment, the practical smile was born. From smile gate of neutral, everything came into the existence. All metaphysical particles, physical particles, and light particles came from this neutral gate, smile gate. Everything which exists in this world has passed this gate, this smile gate. As a result, this world is a smile world, and I am just a smile. Smile came from the same door. This smile has come out from the zero world. It has no sound, but sometimes it is recognized in physical expression of advanced living creatures like human beings. The smile of zero world, origin smile, is connected to the entire world in the same manner as the whole universe is connected by space in oneness. The complete self is now being merged with origin smile. That origin smile, which is the eternal smile, source of all smiles. Everything is becoming clear that this is the world of smiles. All smiles evolve from this origin smile. Origin smile is the pure smile with zero nature and exists everywhere together with all existence. This smile was there even before Big Bang. It was practically realized when neutral force was born. Neutral birth itself has achieved by the harmonious unification of hetero, homo and neutral. So this smile has filled up the entire world without leaving a single empty space. There is no way to separate this smile from us, and it cannot be partial at all. One can express smile, but even though physically not smiling, we are all connected and smiling together. Smile is behind every existence. Everyone shows a different smile according to some level of each existence, but they all are eternal smile with oneness. The whole universe is just a wonder and full of smile. And the universal spirit is a wonder and smile itself. Even before they are born in this world, they already existed with the existent spirit. Since the existent spirit itself is a wonder and smile, then whole universe is just a wonder and full of smile. So to stay with smile thus becomes our wonderful state, and we are meant to have smiling life. Smile life. Smile in your mind, then you start seeing the wonder. All things are smiling around you. You can feel they welcome you with celebration and smile. When you respond with smile, your mind gets opened. You can feel you have pure smile. And with your smile, you can feel His smile, which already exists in your soul. Let us meditate and smile with great forces of the universe. We smile and pray to the force of grace, Brahma force, hetero force, that has power to create. We pray to the force of smile, Vishnu force, neutral force that sustains us. We pray to the force of Shiva, homo force, that transforms the universe by the means of destruction. We pray to the origin of all things, the origin of me, the origin of whole existence. We pray to the tri-origin and thank so that wondrous power from which we came and to which we will return. We pray and convey our gratitude to our Guru Professor Parkji, who enlightened us with tri-origin consciousness. Bless us so that we realize our purpose of life and live life of living enlightenment. We all belong to Him. We are just particles. This world is a particle world. The physical world is the world of particles. All the existence are composed of minute particles, suggesting the theory of atoms. The physical world that we can see is the world of minute such as atoms and subatoms. The non-physical things like light and all are the components of the world of particles. All emotions, thoughts are territory of mind, and mind is also metaphysical particle. Even the energies within physical world are the movement of the particles. All physical existence are composed of atom, particle. Trilogy Big Bang starts first with Newton Big Bang, creating zero particle with Newton characters. From here onwards, particle understanding come under existence as zero world and beyond world, both being with the absolute oneness spirit together express beyond world and zero world. They are one with no material, just transparent, no mass particle. Some 15 billion years ago, under his operating trilogy consciousness, 4 levels of Big Bang came into existence as a beginning process of creation of real world. Newton Big Bang created zero particles. Hetero Big Bang created metaphysical particles. Homo Big Bang created physical particles. This Big Bang gave birth to atoms and subatomic particles. In human history, we recognize this physical level of Big Bang as starting of universe. But in actually, 2 Big Bang already happened before physical Big Bang. One with Newton character and another with hetero character. They already had preceded before the physical Big Bang. Newton Big Bang created living creatures particle. Formation of living being at last was the main spirit behind this whole trilogy of consciousness. Self is composed of soul, mind, body and life. In this process, soul particle take origin from zero particle. Mind particle takes origin from metaphysical particle. Body particle takes origin from physical particle world. And life particle takes origin from life particle world. All the living creatures with a body starts getting created from single cell and attain the perfection in the state of evolution of whole body. This body is made of atoms or subatomic particles which belong to physical particle world. These physical particles, when harmonized with mind, soul and life particles, then they are able to participate in all physiological process. Body particles, being homo in character and symmetrical to mind particle, react and follow mind particles. That is why it is so important to have smiling mind, because body follows mind. For example, when mind decides to dance, body starts tapping the floor in a mood to dance. Some rhythm comes in body. Sometimes mind also follows body. Body smile also helps in creating mind smile. That is why in our camp we did mind and body smile meditation. In our daily life activities, mind and body particles are working together harmoniously, following each other. Mind is very important component of the self. According to triune consciousness functionally, there are 5 states of mind particle in real world. Unconsciousness is Newton, subconsciousness is Homo, real consciousness is neutral. Transcendental consciousness is hetero and absolute consciousness is infinite Newton. Out of 5 mind states, neutral state of mind is real consciousness, is most ideal way to enter his heavenly world, zero world territory. When mind is pure, smiling, then it can easily touch heavenly consciousness. It is like achieving a valid ticket to enter zero world territory or heavenly world territory, where mind feels bliss perfection and flies to meet the origin smile. That is why Professor Park Jae guided us. The most easiest way to enter his territory is through the smile, through the neutral channel. Self-perfection means that mind has reached and merged at the top with his consciousness. This state of mind is infinite neutral state. When real consciousness of mind gets merged with absolute consciousness, then real consciousness gets upgraded and expanded. In our life, we can feel neutral state of mind, hetero state of mind, homo state of mind, and neutral state of mind. Mind particle achieve the neutral state during sleep, unconsciousness state. During this neutral state, mind is not under awakening or consciousness state. Hetero state of mind, in this state, mind particles are under transcendental consciousness. If excessive influence of hetero force, it leads to suffering on mind level, which express with various mental and emotional disorders like schizophrenia, excessive irritation, imagination, madness, etc. Mind particles always travel in future imagination without practical output. Homo state of mind. If mind particles are under excessive influence of homo, it leads to suffering on mind level. During this homo state, mind is under subconsciousness state with fixed ideas and thoughts. Mind particle under excessive homo express with various mental and emotional disorders like depression, deprived feelings, guilty consciousness, etc. When mind particles are under homo hetero state, then body particle don't follow the mind particle. Body particle will refuse to follow such confused mind particle. On the contrary, if mind particles are in neutral state, body particles immediately follow the mind towards the suggested destiny. Always keep your mind particles under smile state, then body will never suffer. Body particles smoothly follow the neutral state of mind particles. Neutral state of mind is towards broadest consciousness near to his absolute consciousness, divine consciousness. Neutral mind state allows a person to be aware of his smiling nature, is aware of eternal smile, and sees smile in every object of this world, in every moment of time, in any situation. If mind is smiling, consciousness goes high, above universal Brahma. This consciousness meets with higher smile consciousness, that is with origin smile consciousness. Practicing neutral emotions will uplift your vibration to the highest level. Smile, modesty, admiration, generosity, gratitude, praise, sympathy, love. Celebrate your origin smile every day. Every day, some cell is taking birth in your body. They too are smiling. When they come from origin, welcome them with smile. Begin to look at every day like a special celebration. Live smiling life. Today is the day we get to celebrate you because it is your birthday. Professor Park sang for all of you. Smile, smile, smile birthday. Your birthday to this wonder world. Smile, smile, smile birthday. Wonderful birthday. You are wonderful. Smile, smile, your birthday. You are smiling, we are smiling. Smile, smile, smile birthday. We wish you Dear my love, always smiling light, always wonderful light, always smiling light. Even if you don't have reason to smile, smile anyway, and He will give you reason to smile. I am newly born smile today. This is my pure smile. This smile contains all the mighty force of Vishnu. Neutral force. Only if you have this smile, then you yourself are smile. You are smile. You are just smile. And your life is meant to be smiling. Smile. Always keep smiling in all situations. Practice all neutral characteristics. Be generous. Give from the heart and soul. If you truly want to be generous, then you have to give just because you want to give, not because you have selfish motive and you want something in return. You give simply because you want to give and because you want to do good in this world. If you are really giving to impress other people in some way, then you are not really being generous. You are generous because it is your quality. Praise, admire without jealousy. We need to keep the praise of existing spirit, God and nature. Praise should flow from your heart and soul. It is a powerful, it strengthens our smile. If you are in pain or in hurt or with some disease, lift up your voice and sing praises to the Almighty. Sing Triyogen song or Triyogen mantra or any other divine song. It is not that you are denying the pain, it is that you choose to acknowledge no matter what you are still in control. And He has perfect plan for you. So smile always, always. Love yourself and this world. Love is the glue that holds everything together. It is a divine law that holds even the atom together. Without the force of love, the electron to the nucleus of the atom will not stay together. Love is the force of integration that overcomes all this integration. With love and smile, we become immortal. We become one with Him. For He created everything in this world with loving smile. Sympathy and compassion is beautiful quality of neutral. A moment of self-compassion can change your entire day. A string of such moments can change the course of your life. Gratitude. Gratitude means thankfulness. Counting your blessings, noticing simple pleasures and acknowledging everything that you receive from existing spirit. It means learning to live your life as if everything was a miracle and being aware continuously is based of how much you have been given. Be with gratitude. Sometimes, during neutral time smile meditation, hands are together, touching each other in relaxed state, feeling oneness with Him, with praying mudra, expressing gratitude, smile and celebration. Thank you so much. You gave me human life. I am grateful to you for giving me human birth in this life. I can taste, feel, experience the heavenly smile, the smile bliss and the origin smile. This is just because I am in human body. Thank you. Thank you for the capacity. Thank you for the capacity to feel gratitude at all times. Thank you for your pure presence radiating in my being. Thank you for the infinity of your presence. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm here to ascend and realize my self-perfection. Always stay with gratitude, smile and celebration. Professor Park guided us to sing this song. I am grateful, you are grateful, we are all great in this wonder world. I am smiling, you are smiling, we are all smiles in this smile world. I am beautiful, you are beautiful, we are all beauty in this beauty world. I am wonderful, you are wonderful, we are all wonders in this wonder. Live with this song, celebrate your life with the sense of this song. I was born to praise you, my heavenly God. I was born to celebrate the spirit of existence, the spirit, the smile spirit. Always keep smiling in all situations. Even if some situations not supporting you to smile, still smile. Do face yoga, because muscles participating in smile stimulates our brain mechanism. It brings greater change in harmonizing mind and body system. Also, it connects you with higher self. Smile anyway, even if no reason. He will give you reason to smile. Practice smile every day. Do face yoga. Practice smile in front of mirror. How many times you smile every day? Ask yourself. Analyze. And one day, smile will become part of your life. And then that moment, you will not require any effort to smile. Even when you are sleeping, you are smiling. Real smile. Feel smile on your lips and eyes. Be with love and kindness. Connection with the Supreme will happen, and His grace will flow to your being. Chanting and singing Triumvirate chorus harmonizes and uplifts your mind vibration. The most important gift you can give to this planet is to vibrate at a high frequency that naturally transforms the electromagnetic field of others around you. Sing song, Triumvirate chorus. Professor Park gave us such a beautiful gift. Singing this chorus, we can help us to upgrade our consciousness. Smile always and be with high vibration all the time, because the universe is like a dome. This universe is vibrating. This universe is like a dome. It vibrates to that which you say in it and answers the same back to you. I am joyful. You are joyful. We are all joy in this wonder world. Professor Park gave us such a beautiful song. We are joyful. We are all joy in this wonder world. I am smiling. You are smiling. We are all smiles in this smile world. You are smiling. Peace, love, grace, beauty, harmony, perfection and celebration. You have received these qualities directly from Him, existent spirit. So radiate this. He Himself is grace, smile and love. To feel oneness with Him, express His gifts which He has given you. Smile always. Always smile. Let us be determined mind to smile every moment, in all situations, no matter what happens in our life. We were born with smile. Smile meditation is in your core. 9 months in mother's womb, we did Smile meditation continuously. This is our core. This is in our core. Let us celebrate this smile. To catch the highest consciousness, that is triune consciousness, you have to keep smile and radiate smile always, in all situations. The universe is asking, show me your new vibration and I will show you miracles. Transformation. Let us transform ourselves with a smile. Butterfly faces lots of hardship while coming out from hard cocoon and finally to a beautiful butterfly. This is a symbol of an individual who is on a smile journey of a personal change and great victory. People who are with determined mind to change, then this is the time to come out from your cocoon and smile to your fullest. Smile. The lotus flower is a beautiful flower, but the start of this flower life is not as beautiful as it is now. Despite these conditions, the lotus flowers maintain strength and pushes aside each of these dirty obstacles and makes its way to the clearer surface. Smile, smile. This is what Mother Teresa said. Every time you smile at someone, it is an action of love, a gift to that person, a beautiful thing. Peace begins with a smile. Baba's smile, pure smile, divine smile, stays with everyone. Buddha's smile. Guru Nanak's smile. Only smile is fundamental. Jesus Christ's smile. Pure, divine. Origin smile. There is no religion, only smile. Just smile and say, Allah Kareem. Krishna's smile. Vishnu's smile. Jainism's smile. They all realized and touched that state of absolute perfection. Their smile is eternal. Indian smile. Muslim smile. Love, grace, all is with this smile. Smile is with everyone. Sikh smile. Smile is not partial, unconditionally. Smile is with everyone. Christian smile. Smile is flowing in this world. Buddhist smile. Smile is the origin. Smile is the only religion. All religion teaching to practice neutralism, neutral qualities. Fundamental base of all religion is smile. plant world smile. Even plants are expressing their smile, showing their beauty, spreading their fragrance, symbol of perfection and beautiful harmony. Animal world smile, animal also smiling. Sometimes they express by waving their tails, sometimes with lips and sometimes silent smile. Sun with origin smile, source of energy. Moon smile, this nature, so beautiful, expressing smile in every phenomena. Nature is smiling, every part, every particle of nature is smiling. Insect world smile, beautiful insects, us, expressing their smile, showing their beauty, perfection and harmony. Rainbow smile, so beautiful smile. Mountain smile, they are stable and sturdy, fixed, but smiling, smiling. Hidden smile is behind these stable things. Galaxy is smiling. Universe is smiling. Pure smile. This is pure smile. You all are smiling, and I can feel origin smile in your smile. Pure smile in your smile. Purity. This purity leads us to see that everything in this universe was created by His endless love. Such a person can feel His power, which is surrounding him always in the form of soul particles, which are always ready to help and cure in order to realize smilized world. When we are with kindness, love, and have noble intention to serve others, then automatically our thoughts become pure and holy. In such a blessed atmosphere, we can feel and realize His wondrous mighty power. Be in smile state forever. Don't allow any situation to fade away your smile. Promise to yourself that you will not allow another person or even to control your emotions. Promise to yourself that you will be stable and sturdy in your mind in the difficult situations. Promise you will be firm and will strongly guide your mind to stay with smile always. Promise to yourself that you will always remember that you are a vibrant, incredible, beautiful, and amazing smiling being with origin smile. Yes, I recognize now. I have realized now that originally I am smiling. I am smiling being as part of Him. I promise to myself that I will express and radiate this divine smile. I have realized the science and spirituality behind this smile. I will get what I am. I am smile. I am love. I am peace. I am celebration. I am grace. I am compassion. I am gratitude, I am generous. I now radiate such a high divine vibration that my life is ready to transform. My life is smiling. I understand now that any bad situation, disease or painful situation is not the truth. It can be changed with the power of soul smile and neutral smile. I will change the situation by continuously smiling and radiating. With my continuous mind smile, I will dissolve that suffering situation and lift up the energy to another vibration. Every day, I will watch myself improving, upgrading. My smile is becoming more and more mature smile, closer to divine smile, Vishnu smile, existence spirit smile, origin smile. And now, I am firm to bring new smiling situations in my life. I have to be with Him, and being with divine means being with Vishnu force, being with smile, practicing neutral qualities. From today, I will not have thoughts of violence, revenge, hurt, pain, abuse, worry, or jealousy. I will not hold grudges for what was done or said to me in the past by others. I will not hold any of this inside of me. I will not waste my energy in criticizing others, making my own energy level low. I will be aware every moment. Today, I remove my guilt from things and situations I did or said in my life and created hurt for others. Sincerely, I say sorry with smile to all those souls to whom I have caused pain, directly or indirectly. This sincere sorry feeling is transforming me and making me compassionate. This neutral vibration will reach those souls who suffer because of me. My smile is becoming more and more closer to origin smile now. I release my guilt and fear from my life now. And now, I am not looking back. I am just moving forward. Every day I will make effort to remind me who am I and why I am here. I am here to accept so that I merge with His smile. I merge with origin smile. I am on a journey towards smile. I spread my wings to fly high and high in this life. While I am breathing, I am with a mission to realize, absorb and merge with His smile. From this moment, my consciousness is never looking back, and on the way, if some situation comes to direct me to go descending, then immediately I will take action to change, to improve myself, and again catch up with ascending journey. I am smile. I am part of origin smile. I am child of Him. This is what you are in the higher dimension. A pure being, smile, smiling being. With this awareness, I go ahead with life smile. Awareness of smile in every situation. And smile meditation goes on continuously with all my actions and reactions in my routine life. I am with practical life smile meditation. I wish all of you, dear my love, always smiling life, always wonderful life. With this, let us dance on the music of Smile Birthday Song invented by Professor Park Jin. Let us celebrate our smile victory with singing and dancing.